It's 3 model. Use menu. Cable. Fully insert the USB cable. And here. The keyboard was turned on. Now I can tap. It's wired model. If I want to use wireless, unplug the cable. Unplug. Take out USB receiver. And here we need to switch to 2.4 in this position. And we also need to switch Windows system or Mac system. Depends on your PC. Okay. Switch is connection failed since the USB receiver not plugged. Fully insert. Now the keyboard turn off since the USB receiver connect was failed. Let's turn on again. Wait. Now the connection successful. I can delete. I can input.